How are you feeling, Big Chris?
Oh, I feel good as new, thanks, Rusty. I slept like a baby.
Probably because everyone looked after you yesterday.
I know, it was magic. I've never had anyone make so much fuss over me.
Pity you were ill. You could have enjoyed it.
Hey, wait a minute. Maybe I could enjoy it. You know, it wouldn't hurt to have one more day being looked after, would it?
No, and no!
Unbelievable.
Why would you do that?